many of you know about the Whistlestop bookstore right here in downtown Carlisle? It is one of my favorite places to just browse, look at the books and other things that are here. I think one of my favorite sections of the store happened quite a few years ago when my daughter was actually probably 5 or 6 years old, coming into this store, and the kids section here was her favorite place to come. She would come, pull some books off the shelves, just kind of park herself on the floor here for a little while and go through and decide what book she wanted to get that day. It also then led to the more teen books and series books that are then right here beside it. So what made you get into this business?
A deep-seated passion for books as a child.
Okay.
But it's also when I began to dabble as a teenager in used books to support my habit of buying more books. During my college years at Dickinson, I managed a bookstore at the MJ Mall.
Oh, yeah.
And that helped pay for my tuition at Dickinson. When I graduated, there was nothing else I wanted to do. So we were looking for a place to eat in downtown Carlisle on a Sunday, which was impossible then. And we eventually drifted all the way down to Gettysburg. We saw a location we wanted, jumped on it, and then 2.5 years after opening that location, we found a location here in downtown Carlisle.
So over the years, obviously, having the 2 locations, closing to only have the one then, how have you seen that change for you, your business, and the downtown?
It was good. I mean, in a sense, we're appreciative of the Gettysburg location helping to eventually fund our Carlisle purchase. But Gettysburg real estate, as you can imagine, is insane and not exactly friendly to small, young and hungry business people. So we were delighted to find something in Carlisle that put us downtown, because we viewed the life of the town as being downtown.
Right.
And so we were happy to start off with a much smaller space, and then when a location to purchase came up, to sell, I hate to say this to you, but it was to sold by the owner, and we jumped on it, and especially a historic building.
Right.
So we were delighted to continue to be. We wanted to always be, and we have been, always close to Bosler Memorial Library.
Right.
Because if you're going to set up a book business, you want to be where book people go.
Yes.
And that's good. We don't view ourselves as competitors, we view ourselves as complementary.
Absolutely. The other nice thing about this store is he doesn't only just sell books. There's greeting cards, there's note cards, pens, pencils, calendars, seasonal for the new year.
So many jigsaw puzzles.
Jigsaw puzzles, that is another great thing.
I had a stained glass window put in for our 40th anniversary, and that's done by a local artist, Crystal Oakman, who has a business on East High Street. I was replacing a very ugly board up there, and we were talking, and she said, well, I'm thinking about getting into stained glass. This was her first project.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
So she featured Mulan as the centerpiece, and then every little touch of the stained glass is significant to either books or my life. She walked in an open back door many years ago. I knew she was in the neighborhood, and apparently our theory is that she might have been left behind by a Dickinson student. But she was hanging around this area in the back alley, and she knew that I had a nice quiet space behind my building, and so that was a place of safety. She spent more time there. I leave the back door open during nice weather, and she just walked right in and announced that she shopped around and she liked this place best.
And she stayed.
Yeah.
So if you've never shopped here, you want to do yourself a favor and get down here. There are just so many things to see and do, plus you're helping out a local business. Come shop with us.